Crypto.com reverts Lunc delisting plans until further notice, and what's next for Terra Classic? These questions and more news we will discuss in today's video. Welcome to CryptoWhale. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. So if you're interested in everything around Terra Classic, this is the place for you. So let's start with Terra Classic's price forecast and analysis. When cryptocurrencies are mentioned, the 2021 bull run comes to mind, followed by the chaos that ensued, including the 2022 Terra LUNA disaster and its protagonist Kwon. Although the crypto world has moved on from the events of 2022, Terra Classic continues to exist. So, can Lunc really achieve the incredible price surges that eager investors anticipate? While many cryptocurrencies continue to show an upward trend, a look at the past weeks and months suggests that Terra Classic has only recently ended its decline. On the other hand, recent machine learning and artificial intelligence algorithms paint an optimistic picture for Lunc by the end of this month. According to predictions made by artificial intelligence-based machine learning algorithms on February 2nd, Terra Classic's price could rise to $0.30107, following a slight upward movement by February 29th, 2024. Currently, Terra Classic's price is trading at $0.4094 at the time of writing, with a 0.39% increase over the last 24 hours. When examining Lunc's most recent price situation, it experienced a 2.75% decrease over the previous 7 days. Over the past month, it has lost 232.83% of its value. Lunc's market capitalization has increased by 1% and reached $550 million. Its 24-hour trading volume has dropped by 27% to $17.2 million. This decline reflects a waning interest in the altcoin. Another notable altcoin, USTC, saw a less than 1% increase in price over the last 24 hours to $0.023. USTC's overall volume remained stable at $213 million. In addition, USTC's 24-hour trading volume dropped by 46% to just $5.6 million. Considering all these factors, it may be possible for Terra Classic to reach the price levels predicted by machine algorithms. However, it's important to remember that things in the cryptocurrency sector can change quickly. The crypto market, known for its high volatility, continues to be at the center of intense speculation, which can significantly affect cryptocurrencies like Lunc. Now let's talk about that. The Crypto.com reverts Lunc delisting plans until further notice. Crypto.com, a major cryptocurrency platform based in the United States, turned on delisting Terra LUNA Classic after facing fierce backlash from Terra Classic's community. In a favorable turn of circumstances for the community, Lunc won't be delisted by Crypto.com by February 15th, 2024, despite a previous email sent to the platform's American clients. Instead, representatives assured their clients in the latest email that the delisting of Lunc will be delayed till further notice in April. While not giving any reasons for the sudden change, Crypto.com's email relieved many crypto enthusiasts who have been informed of the ability to withdraw Lunc even after the delisting happens. Initially, the message warning customers of the elimination of Lunc trading pairs sent the altcoin to retest the support levels of $0.3011 on January 18th, 2024. However, the embattled Lunc has been trading in a downward parallel channel for the whole month, totaling January's losses to 21.1%. The recent bullish news for Lunc restored healthy optimism among Terra Classic's holders on X. To illustrate, the daily charts for Lunc now hint at a likely price trend reversal, as Terra Classic validator Luna Classic Labs pointed out. In their daily technical analysis, the validator marked a narrowing triangle pattern, portrayed in orange color in the graphic below. According to Luna Classic Labs, the decisive moment for Lunc's price trend in the near future is the oscillation between the narrow orange triangle and the green trend line. A weekly close above $0.30's $125 would likely send a signal for a bullish crossover. While this price range was last touched on January 18th, 2024, right before the news struck that Crypto.com is mulling delisting Lunc. The Terra Classic community is striving for a full-on revitalization of the once-thriving Terra blockchain. Community members and volunteer developers are relying on major exchanges to assist in the coordination of this rejuvenation process. Let's also talk about Terra Classic price for February 29th. As the bullish trend returns for many cryptocurrencies, Terra Classic seems to have only recently halted its decline from previous weeks and months, and machine learning and artificial intelligence algorithms are optimistic about its price by the end of this month. Specifically, the advanced algorithms over at the crypto and stock analytics platform Kwon see the price of Terra Classic making a gentle upward movement, setting its price at $0.30107 on February 29th, 2024. According to the most recent information retrieved by Finbold on February 2nd. Indeed, should these predictions, which the machine learning algorithm has calculated on the basis of Terra Classic's historical price dataset and other indicators, become a reality, they would represent an increase of 13.83% to its price at press time. As things stand, the price of Terra Classic currently amounts to $0.4094, recording an increase of 0.56% in the last 24 hours, albeit declining 1.54% across the previous 7 days and losing 20.83% over the past month, as the latest charts demonstrate. At the same time, the 7-day technical analysis sentiment gauges deployed by the finance and crypto market analytics website TradingView are bearish about Lunc. Their summary pointing at a sell, based on moving averages suggesting a strong sell at 8 and oscillators in the sell position at 2. All things considered, Terra Classic might have a chance at reaching the result forecast by the machine algorithms. However, things could easily go downhill in this industry, which is why doing one's own research and weighing the risk tolerance is important. And lastly, about that, the Terra Classic hits historic staking milestone ahead of mega burns. The growth path for Terra Classic has been bumpy, with Lunc erasing all the gains it accrued in December. At the moment, the token is down 3.01% in 24 hours and by more than 32.65% in the past month, to bring its price to $0.40934. Market cap and trading volume also come in at $540 million and $26 million, with a drop of 3.01% and 1.43% respectively. Despite these bearish drawdowns, significant staking metrics have elevated sentiments. According to an update from community member Saklain Ali, the total number of Lunc staked is going up with a record 1.021 trillion tokens locked in staking contracts. This locked sum is equivalent to 15% of total supplies. Notably, the amount of staked Lunc stood at 957 billion tokens as of January 7th. However, it eventually hit the 1 trillion token mark 2 days later. The current figure shows that the community has staked 63 billion tokens in less than a month. As a self-motivating, community-driven protocol, there is now a growing clamor to intensify efforts on the staking venture, a move that is poised to catalyze every known bullish fundamental revolving the Terra Classic scene. While Ali highlights how the staking campaign is pivotal to maintaining the market value of the token, another major push community members are looking forward to as a catalyst is the burn moves is also worth watching. Notably, the L1C community set over 1 billion tokens ablaze in the past week, and the upcoming Mega Binance burn can also lend legitimacy that might bolster the adoption of the token soon. The Binance burn, combined with those of validator burn-it-all accounts for more than 50% of Lunc burns. The restorative efforts for Lunc have been a consistent ride since the collapse of its algorithmic stablecoin Terra Classic USD in 2022. While there is still a long way to go before Lunc retests the 1 cent level, the community members are playing their path with hopes that the asset might regain its lost glory over time. With this, Luna Classic may see a great recovery in 2024. As per our forecast, the average price of Luna Classic can be around $0.3069 in 2024 if the current growth continues. The minimum price of Lunc coin can be around $0.3058 in 2024 if the market turns down. If the community supports the project, the Lunc coin can touch a maximum price level of $0.3085 by the end of 2024. As we can see from the current market sentiments, Luna Classic has the potential to continue to rise. If the market concentrates on investing in the project, Terra Luna Classic prices might surpass our price forecast. So what price for Lunc do you expect on February 29th? Disclaimer: this video does not force you to buy any cryptocurrency or invest in anything. With this, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, let us know in the comments your views on the Lunc token, and make sure to turn on the post notifications to get notified every time we post a new video.